Can you see the PowerPoint blank?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we are going to do is we already covered many of the tabs, and today we'll just concentrate in the animations. So animation is nothing but a small movement you are giving to text or images or something like that. But it is, you cannot apply the animation to the slide. You can apply only the text, images, videos, etc. You can do. Okay, so let me type something, insert text. So I will type something here, say Asadi. Asadi. Okay, so if I want to make it bigger, I just select the border and just use this. Okay, I want another text here. I'm just typing a name here, George. I'll make again little bigger and bigger. Now I want to give animation for this. Now it is just an ordinary, nothing special is there. There is no animation, nothing here. So I want to give animation. The animation button will not work because I have not selected the text. Okay. So I have two text here. Each it doesn't have any animation now. That is why your animation button is not working. So when you select a text, then your animation button become active. There are four type of animation we can give to a text. There are four type of animations. You can see here. You just click this more button. As you can see, there are four type of animation. One is called the entrance animation, which you give for entry of something. Then you have the emphasis, another one. Then you say exit, the third one, exit. Then you have one more is motion path. So there are four type of animation you can give to the text. So let us see how you apply the, for example, entrance. I'll just say fly in. I have selected the text fly in. You can see that it is just flying and keeping there. I can change it to another one, another one. So I can give any which is for entrance, entry. If I show here, you have to give the animation in an order. So first you want to display this one, so you give the animation and it receives the number one. I want to give another animation for this, select, and I'll select another one, fly in. You can see two, one and two. Suppose you want to change this animation, fly in I want to give some other thing there. Random also, this one. Okay, so I can change anytime the animation which I have given. And you can see that number one is this, number two is this. If I check now, when I press the, you can see the first one, click button. So I have two different type of animation, and it is coming based on the number. Number one come first, number two comes second. Escape to come back. Okay. Suppose I want to give another animation for this. It may not be possible because when I select this, if I give another one, immediately it is replaced with the old one. Number two, that means only two are there. If I want to give another animation for this, you select it and you say add animation. Whenever we want to give some animation, two type of animation, three type of animation to a particular object or object, you have to say add animation. If I select add animation, so let me check the before that. Let me check this and let me give this a fade command. So it's a fade, just fade. Now I want to give another one, which I want to give from the exit. exit. There also I will give another fade. You see, it went out. Okay, so now still he has put only one because we did not click the add animation. So let me have the first animation again from the in entrance. This is the first one. I want to apply one more. So I will select this and say add animation, and I will select the exit fade. Okay, so let us see how now it has applied 2 and 3. See, you applied 2 for this, 2 and 3 for this. This possible only when you click the add animation. Now let us see how it works. Okay, first one, second one. Okay. Now what happens is if you have this one, so I given entrance for this, which is wheel or fly in. Let us see, fly in. This is the one I give. If I give exit, something exit, from the exit I can give disappear. So it is gone. The disappear thing. If I give from emphasis, I can give spin. So this is neither entrance, neither exit. It is emphasis. That is, it works only within that. It's not coming out. It is not going out. It is within that. So that is the emphasis. Same thing you can apply. If I select this, I can apply the fourth model animation, which is called the motion path. Okay, suppose I say motion paths, round I say circle. You see that? Okay, so that is the motion path. It depends upon, this is the motion path. So it moves around the motion path. So there are 4 types as I mentioned: entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion path. 4 type of animation. So here I gave 2 animations here. The first one is entrance, fade in, and exit I gave fade out, something like that. So that is why it is coming like this. Let's see again. So this is animation for the first one. Second one is fade in, fade out. Okay. Now I want to copy this. So I will say right click, or you can say select it and Control C for copy, Control V. So when you copy, what happens is, you see he is giving the 4 and 5. Next 4 and 5 is getting. So I will put a name here, Smita. And I will move top of this. I will copy another one. Another one. I'll give another name here, Stalin. I'll put it here, top of this. Again, I Control V. Another one, another name, Geeta. So I have overlapped 4 different things here. Okay, let us see how it works. This is the first one. Second one. See? Okay. Sometime you might have seen. Let's make a new. I will make a new one. New slide. Blank. This is a blank slide. And I have, oh, okay. I have here, insert. Let me just type Asadi annual day. I want to show a moving animation. You might have seen when you see the TV and other things, some important message going on from below, just moving right up. No, how can you do that? First of all, let me make a small shape here. You can change the background to, let's change the background to little different. So this is my background. I want to change this color. Okay. I want to show something just passing through this. Some message about annual day celebration, some message. Okay, so let me type a message, text. You can type whatever you want. Annual day celebration will start from 20th December 2020. Something like that. So this is the message you want to show passing through this. So we make it, minimize this, bring that message here. Message here. Okay. Now you select that, go to animation, go to the more, and this animation entrance. If you want to have more animations, there is an here bottom more details are there. More is there. Whenever you want to get more, you can see here more entrance, more emphasis, more exit effect. So many things are there. Okay, so I selected this, click the more, and I want to have more motion paths. I click that more motion path. Since I want to move this from left direction, I will select left. You can select the left from here. Left. Okay. So select the left there. Okay. Let's see anything happens. See, it stopped there. It's not moving at all. Because if you watch here carefully, there is a red button here and there is a green button here. So it starts from here and it ends here. That is why that is not coming. So what we have to do is we have to extend this red beyond our screen. So what I will do is I will extend this. So I extended this red here. Now let's play and see what happens. It moved very fast. It moved very fast. We can't read it. Correct? So what we have to do, we have to select and change the duration. We'll change the, it's only 2 seconds. That's why it's moving very fast. So let us make it to about 25 seconds. Let's try again. It's coming. See now the speed a little reduced. I have given 13 seconds. I will make it to 25 seconds. Let's try again. Wait for a few minutes. It's coming now. Now you can read. Can you see this picture here? This picture, let me make it a little bigger. This, if you want to make some changes, you can do from here. You can change the color and other thing from here. You can see here color. Click that. You can see many changes. You can do this. If you want black and white, you can make more color. You can put. Okay, so you can do a lot of things using the color effects here. There is another profession, artistic effects. You can make that. Okay. So you can do a lot of things using the artist. Those facilities are available here. So you can try that. And again, and again, you can select this, double click. You can get a lot of effects here. Let me bring another photo. Delete, insert, picture. Select this. When you select the format is not coming, double click. So getting the format here. You can select the boundary. You can see many changes you can create. There are so many effects here. Something you want to give some good presentation and something like that. Change here. This is a picture border color. Picture border color. So many things you can do using this effects. I hope you got the idea now. Now let me open another one. So last time I told you, if you want to insert music, you go to insert command, audio, insert, audio from my PC. So whichever you want, you can just insert that sound. So when you go here, sound, select the sound, go here and you see make it automatic. So automatically it will play and hide during the show. Okay, let us play this. If you want to play only this slide, shift F5. That's how you can do the sound system. You can insert, select it, go to playback, make it automatic, hide during show. So we will not see this image and it will automatically play. And suppose I want to insert a video, insert, instead of audio, I'll say video. Suppose I want to insert this video here. See, inserting, wait for a few minutes. So the video has been inserted. Again, this one, go to playback. Instead of on click, you remember the make it automatic. And let us see. I inserted this here. I selected it, went to playback, make it automatic. Okay. The sound and other thing you can adjust from here. If you want to sound, you can low, medium. You can even stop mute the volume. You can do from here. Suppose you have some background music. In that case, you can mute this video sound. But one problem is that this video is very long, 4 minutes or 3 minutes. You want to play only a portion of this video. Okay, so how can you do that? You select that video and come here. You see here, trim video. Click that button. Okay, so this is the full video. You can see from green. It starts from here and it ends here, 1 minute 40 seconds. So I can play this and I can bring the sound where you want. I can move this green. I want to show only this portion. Okay, and little bit, only this portion only I want to show. So only this portion in between only will be shown. Okay, so we go to trim, move the starting and move the ending. So it will not play here and here. Say okay. Now let us play this and see. Control F5. See, only that portion is played. Sometimes you may have to use all these techniques. Okay. And finally, if you want to save this as a, when you say file, save as, you select the folder, then you can, different options are there to save. This is PowerPoint presentation. This is as a PDF. Okay, this is just if you want to show only, select the PowerPoint show. So other people will just see the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, if you want to save it as a video, you say MPEG-4 video. You select this. So and completely you can play your complete PowerPoint presentation as a video. This is MP4 video. You can select or window media video. This also you can save. You can save only as a JPEG also you can do. Okay, there are many options available. I hope you got some idea now.